Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to deposit Ethereum and Coinbase Wallet. To be able to deposit some Ethereum tokens on your Coinbase Wallet, there are a few ways you can go about this. By clicking on the buy icon at the top left, you can easily use your available fiat currency. Your fiat currency being the native currency of your country to be able to buy some cryptocurrency. If you notice, we have here pay with credit card via Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay is a merchant that deals or helps traders to trade their cryptocurrency, to trade their native currency for cryptocurrency. So if you click on continue to payment, leaving Coinbase Wallet to be able to purchase the Ethereum tokens outside of Coinbase Wallet using Alchemy Pay. So like I explained before, Alchemy Pay is a provider for cryptocurrencies. You could make use of your native currency to buy this cryptocurrency. Let's say you are in Israel or you are in Canada or Australia. You could make use of your native currency to buy some Ethereum tokens. So if you click on proceed to buy, you'll be asked to enter an email and then proceed to make payments using your credit card. Now, another option of depositing cryptocurrency into your wallet is via the bridge option. When you click on bridge, you could easily bridge your tokens, being the Ethereum tokens, on the Base network or on the Binance Smart Chain network into the mainnet Ethereum, hence depositing it on your wallet. Another option of getting yourself some crypto is clicking on the receive icon. When you select the receive icon, you could easily receive via your Ethereum wallet address, or if you click on the QR code, you could simply scan your QR code to receive some ERC20 tokens, which includes the native Ethereum. So guys, that's how you can easily deposit Ethereum on the Coinbase wallet. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.